Hey guys, welcome back to my busted ass channel. It's Monique Flemings and I'm back at it again with another busted ass tutorial with some busted ass makeup for a busted ass holiday. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monique Flemings and I'm back and I'm better with another tutorial. Alright, so Valentine's Day is coming up. I just wanted to give you guys a Valentine's slay look. I know everybody's Valentine's Day has been so pink and just like a bunch of, you know, like those pinky rosy colors, which is real cute. Valentine's Day is pink. But I just kind of wanted to throw it back and remember when Valentine's Day represented red. Remember when that was the color to represent Valentine's Day? So I just wanted to do a look that incorporates red tones. I went out my way for you. So why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a like and comment down below if you like this look. Comment down below if you don't like this look and I will let you know how I feel about that. And happy B-Day. As you guys know, I recently got married. So, you know, this year is going to be my husband's first Valentine's Day. Super excited. Happy B-Day to everyone. I hope you are going somewhere special, somewhere cute, somewhere dope. And I hope you can rock a look like this, you know, somewhere wherever you're going. I hope this helps somebody. I hope this is easy to follow through. I hope this helps you with your tests, your student debt, your baby mama drama. I hope it helps everything. Alright, so of course, without further ado, I'm going to show you how I completed this full look. This is not just an eyeshadow tutorial. This is an actual full tutorial. I filmed this entire look, which I haven't done in so freaking long. Okay guys, so for this look, I'm going to try to stay in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette because I don't want to dip into a lot of palettes. I just want this look to be a follow through if you do choose that you do want to kind of like copy this look for your Valentine's Day. So I'm going to just try to stick to this one common palette that a lot of us have already. And let's get started. I'm going to take my Morphe M52. Alright, so I'm going to set my lid with this raw sienna shade, and so it's just going to kind of just act as a really good base. I'm actually like breaking out on my eyelid. I had to order these oval brushes from Amazon and that backfired because now I just, like, can you see this? It's very sad. I'm just gonna make my highlight look kind of funky later on. So I'm gonna go into this shade Red Orchid right here, and I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to go into a more dense brush. I'm going to take my MAC 217 or 217. I don't know why I'm being extra, standing that's full name. Focus that right into my crease. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a clean running brush and just kind of marry this shade together. I'm now going to go into this brown shade here. It's like Cyrus Amber, and I'm going to work dots into this mix. So I'm going to start off at my V, outer V, and I'm going to kind of like pack it on a little, and then I'm going to work this way into the crease. I'm using really light hands because this is a really dark color, so I don't want it to take over my light. And I'm just patting it on my outer V and then working the excess towards my crease. And I'm just going back into that Red Orchid shade, and I'm just kind of blending as I go. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm going to use this NARS Radiant Concealer to do so. Oh my god. Dab some on the back of my hand, and then pick it up with a tiny brush. A very tiny brush. So this is a Morphe M13, and I love this because it's really tiny, so I can just control it, you know. Excuse the mirror, I need to get up close for this. And I like to start from the bottom and then work up to it so that I can get a straight line. Alright, so once I halo where I want my cut crease to be, which I did go a little upper than my hooded eye just to make my eyes appear bigger. So now you can either just kind of set this with this golden shade here, or you can add some shimmer in your life, which I'm all about that. So I'm just going to go into Primavera, which is like my favorite shade in this entire palette. So I'm going to be using my short shader brush by Sigma. This is an E20 and it's just really, really tiny, like ridiculous tiny. So you can really control how much you lay on here. I'm just going to swipe and then pat this on my lid. I'm going to take an angle brush. I'm going to use the same brown shade. We're going to start right at the crease and just kind of just trace real lightly around my halo. I do want to add a black to this just because I want to be dramatic with my red lips, and black and red lips just go together like peanut butter and jelly. It's so beautiful. Like if you're gonna do black eyeshadow and you put on red lips, it's like ooh. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and do this black eyeshadow that's here. Hey, yes, I got it right. It's right here. So I'm gonna go into this little black here. If you don't have any eyeshadow palette that has a black, go into like a really dark brown, like your darkest shade of them all, you know, as dark as you can get, and just kind of maybe copy this look that way. But if you literally just can't, it's also fine. It's not necessary. I'm just gonna use this Morphe M43, which is just like this really small bullet brush. Literally, real careful. We're gonna just put this right into our little artery. Look at my mirror. I think I was about to see. What did I think? I can't see anything through this mirror. It's so filthy. I don't know why I thought I was about to be able to look at that. But back to the compact. That's all I'm gonna do. So I am going to go into my face now. So let's do this ponytail. And so I'm going to highlight with Amande from NARS Radiant Concealer. And just going to bring me back some of my gold color because this is, believe it or not, my shade. Alright, this is my... I'm going to use the SMASHBOX Studio Skins Shaping Foundation for my couture. You guys know it's like foundation on this side and then... Wait, I had it wrong. It's foundation on this side and then it's a couture stick on this side. And I'm going to get like a little bit in my hairline because I don't want to mess up my little... So I like this because it is slanted too, so you can just literally just like... I don't know why I always blend out my chin first. I don't know. I just feel like I just get it out the way. And I just like to look up and push the concealer up towards my crease, my eye. I love this little beauty blender. It's so cute. It's supposed to be like a strawberry and it's so tiny that I can just get into all these little spaces without like kind of bumping into any other parts of my face that's already finished. Got it from Sephora.